Hold me down till the sun goes down. When you're gone, I lose faith. I lose everything I have found. Heartstrings, violence. That's what I hear when you're by my side.
Smile!
Yeah, that's what I hear.
It's a video!
When you're gone, the music goes. I lose my rhythm, lose my soul.
Hi, ate! We have swimming pool here and see over there. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay, so this was the 35th of
We gon' make the perfect sound.
We're done for today sa Villa Escudero. Pauwi na kami. And, hindi pa kami pauwi. Papunta kami sa isang restaurant na may live band. Doon kami kakain.
Some people wonder, but I'm someone feeling you, baby.
So yes guys, napakanta pa ako ng di oras. By the way, ang sarap ng food dito. Punta kayo dito. At may live band pa. At kung singer ka, go there. Palmeras Restaurant. So guys, pupunta kami airport kasi uuwi na si Kuya. Oh my God, Bernigang.
Kumanan sa 175, Pinoy Aquino Avenue, South.
Siyam na po, diba? Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kay Kuya. Nakaalis na siya. Nag-Jollibee muna kami dahil umalis na siya. Ang lungkot niya. Iyak na. So hey guys, nandito kami sa LPU magsusundo. The school is so beautiful. Dito na kayo ako sa Pilipinas mag-aral.
Wala pa ng buko.
Hi! Hi! Aray ko! Hi!
Iyan naman, pasok mo to dun.
Good morning guys! It's Sunday and we're going to
Padre Pio.
to Padre Pio. But first, magta-tricycle kami. Yan, yan.
So yeah guys, we're here at Padre Pio.
So guys, movie date kami. We're gonna watch 100 Tula para kay Stella.
Good morning everyone. Where
Ayun, where are we now? We are in Taal at magsisimba kami sa simbahan ng Taal.
Yes, but first we're going to Lokulok ang tawag nila kasi nasa kitaasan
Kinataasan. Kinakataas-taasan. Diba?
Yun na yun.
Hey, let's get it!
Get it.
Hahawak ako na mabuti. Baka lumipad ng cellphone ka. So yes, pababa na kami.
Mas
Bye-bye,
maganda.
Jesus! We just went to Taal Church and it's the biggest church in Asia And it's also the oldest of the Philippines. Yes. It was built in 1575. For the first time, kasama ko sila sa Manila.
For the first time.
And we're eating street food. And
Di pa yan street food, soft drinks lang yan.
and may iabot sila dito yung plastic na...
Mami, meron ba kayong 10? Ay, 12 pala. Uy, ingat. Pano?
Guys, we're here!
Tour. Where are we now?
We're here sa Skyran. Hi! Say hi to the vlog. So guys, we're gonna try the horror one. Hi, Kuya. Hello everybody. So I've been in the Philippines for almost 2 months and I have 5 days left here. What a sad story. But by the way, sorry if I did not vlog a lot these few days. I just did celebrate my birthday here and I did not vlog just because I did just same things like go to the cinema, mall, SM, food is life, so eat. And by the way, yes, in these 5 days, bibili na lang ako ng mga pasalubong and food and you know, same things. And wala, this is my last vlogging video before the airport. So see you in the airport. Bye. Happy birthday to us. Hey guys, midnight snack.
Yo!
Video.
Hello!
Where are you going? Where are you going with that? So guys, we are at the end of this beautiful and amazing trip. Saying goodbye and saying see you soon in a couple of years. It's the hardest and it's also the saddest, but we have to go through it. So yes, I just want to say thank you to all the people I've met in the Philippines, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for all the experiences, for all the good moments, the good bonds, and nothing. Thank you, and thank you also to you guys that are watching now, because you watched the video and you gave me the opportunity to show you how beautiful Philippines it is. So thank you. Bye.